What's going on now?
What is it?
This is frustrating, man. I've been trying to send a file to
What is wrong?
one of my clients, but he keeps saying he's not seeing it.
Okay.
I've sent it for like 4 times now.
Okay, let me see.
No, it's just an office document.
Well, let me just see if it's something I could help on. Maybe, I don't know. This is really difficult for you. Okay. Okay, just a minute. But okay, Chuku. The file is not attached. You didn't attach it, so there's no way it would go through. Just hold on, I'll do it for you.
Okay.
Okay, I've sent it. I've done it. Just check. The next time you want to do it, you have to attach it first before it would go through.
Okay. Wow. Yeah, sent.
I have to go now.
Wow, thank you.
Have you confirmed it?
Hold on, I'm trying to go to my sent items to see if it actually sent. Oh yeah, it's actually sent. Yeah, it's right here.
It has gone through, I told you.
Wow, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. Wow, thank you. Thank you.
The next time, just try and attach it, okay?
Let me, just 1 minute, please. Yeah, please check your mail now. Check your mail. Yeah. Sin? Oh, finally. Okay. Get back to me then. Yeah.
Yes, confirmed.
Yes. Well, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Bye.
Yeah, bye.
Boss, how about the Yabalogo project?
Done?
Okay, so how about the other one?
That one is a bit hard for me, but that's exactly what I'm working on. I think before Friday I should be able to forward it to them.
Oh, that's nice. That's cool. It's nice then, if that's the case.
Guess who assisted me?
Who?
Chimamanda.
I don't understand what is really going on. Listen, I'm not finding this thing funny anymore.
Oh.
You seem to have forgotten where you met me. Where you picked me for the very first time. Okay, let me remind you. I am a prostitute. A prostitute and not a seller of intelligence or anything. Please, each time you call me, let's do business. I don't like this, so.
But I see more than just a prostitute in you. You have more to give. I see an intelligent and resourceful young woman, not just a prostitute.
Don't see that in me. See me as the sex worker that I am. Call me, pay me, and then we have it done and then I leave.
But I pay you your money in full.
You don't do the business. I'm not comfortable with that. You're giving me free money all the time. Why? Why? Am I the only person in this world? Why? Why would you always give me money without doing the business? Why?
Look, Chimamanda, I'm only interested in the qualities. Can you take it easy with me, please?
If this is why you call me out all the time about quality or no quality, don't call me. I won't come again. You call me, we do business. I'm gonna do.
Do you really mean what you just told me, or it was a joke?
What joke? I'm not mincing my words.
Let me understand you, Okechukwu. Let me comprehend you very well. You want to take your prostitute friend to your company's dinner party? I don't understand, okay? What is going on with you?
Nothing is going on here, my friend. The only thing going on is your continuous usage of the word prostitute on her, and I don't feel cool about it.
Who is she? Is she not a coquette? But come to think of it, what if people recognize her in the party as a whore? If I want to change the word.
Well, I've not really thought about that.
You have not thought about that?
Yep.
Listen. What if people get to recognize that girl, that she's somebody who has warmed their bed before? Won't they be embarrassing?
Like I said, I really do not care. Okay? If it will be embarrassing to be with Chimamanda because she's a prostitute, then the men that patronizes prostitutes should share in that embarrassment too, because they are prostitutes as well.
Okechukwu.
Sorry, Claire. I mean, you can't be one-sided. You patronize prostitutes and you are against them. That's hypocrisy.
You're holding brief now for them. You hear me?
We're not supposed to have this conversation. I just told you what I told you. I am going with her. That's all. You can't change my mindset. You can't change what I want to do.
I'm surprised.
I know you will be, actually. I know.
Hello, Mandy.
Hi, Amanda. What's up with you?
I'm fine, my darling.
We didn't see you yesterday. I hope no problem.
No problem, darling. I just wanted to rest.
Alright. Hope you are coming today.
I'm still gonna rest again today.
This your sudden penchant of resting. Is there anything behind it?
There is nothing behind it, my dear. Am I not a human being? After all work and no rest is gonna make Chimamanda a sick girl. So let me rest and be strong, okay?
Okay, oh, you are right anyways. I just wanted to check up on you. Hope to see you soon.
Yeah, sure, darling. Thank you so much for checking up on me. I do appreciate it, okay?
You are welcome. Bye.
Alright, bye. I know I don't subscribe to free money, which I'm definitely going to stop very soon. But the money Okechukwu has given to me recently is going to sustain me for a very long time. And not like I enjoy doing this work anyways. I just have to survive.
Who be that? Open the gate. Who them? Now you? Sorry, I don't know so now you now.
You know how long I don't stand for this gate. Eh?
Sorry now. Sorry. What you do? You para every time. Eh? Let me be Jide. Jide Kosoko. Just I'll go just Jide.
Come on, get out.
No make a Jide your Kosoko. Calm down now. Eh? What do you buy for me? Eh? My love.
What do you call me?
My love, now what do you buy for me?
Me, your love. I don't go soda your mouth. Don't go fire you.
Why
You don't get sense.
you do like this now? Eh? With the quarrel?
Common sense, you okay. As you go lock up place, I don't listen to your words.
You do like Sakata. See this girl, oh. Why you they always do like this? Eh? Anytime why I want Jide your Kosoko, you go the para. Like say she fine herself, she not even fine. But she fine, Sha. But this one, I must Jide. Jide Kosoko, I must Jide your Kosoko. Very soon. Just calm down. This one thing go the best. Alpha, what you buy for me? See how she be, huh? Hey, what you buy for me? Eh? Calm down. One day I go Jide your Kosoko. Eh? What will Jide Kosoko? I go Jide your Kosoko. Calm down.
Baby, I don't like the idea of telling me to stop you here without taking you home.
I thought we've been through this. We've talked about it so many times. Don't worry, my house is very close.
You don't want me to know your place? Is that what it is?
Is it necessary? It's not. I have to go.
You don't look happy at all, Chimamanda.
Yeah, but not for you though. I have to go now. Let's talk some other time.
Alright, if you say so, it's fine. Okay.
Thanks for the gift anyways.
It's fine.
No, this has to stop. I don't know what it is he wants from me, but I must put an end to it. I wouldn't have been talking to him if not that the pay is good. But to what end? To what end, Chimamanda? Besides, there is no free thing anywhere. I think it's high time I maintained my sanity over whatever it is Okechukwu is paying. I cannot do this anymore. He either stick to the business or let me be. He should patronize me and not sympathize with me. What is this? Hello?
Hello to the beautiful one. How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
I'm great. Where are you? Are you home?
Yes, I just got home not quite long. Came back from lecture, so tired. And I'm about going to have my shower.
That's good. So, will you come over tonight?
I can only come over if you're ready for business.
Amanda, do we have to go over this again? I love your company. I only want you around me.
Then forget about it. Look for someone else because I'm not coming.
Why? Am I not paying you enough? I can pay more if that's what you want. Just say how much. I will pay.
I know you pay me handsomely. As a matter of fact, you pay me so well without even touching me. What? You give me expensive gifts? Why are you doing all that for me? Why? I don't understand. Listen, I cannot be fooled anymore. I can't. I'm not seeking for any free thing. And nothing in life is free as well. You and I know that. If you must know, my business has a code. And that is money for hand, bag for ground. You pay me, I do the job, dude. I don't like what you're doing. Please, if you're ready for business, I'll come over. If you're not, then leave me be.
I just want to always have you around me. That's all. But you can at least come over tonight so we talk about that.
Listen, I don't want to be doing this for now, honestly. I told you that I came back from lecture and I'm really, really tired. I need to shower. Can we talk about this some other time? Bye. Ah, what is this?
Aman.
One clock today, police. One clock today we are in. Every day now one better. 1 clock today we are in. Every day now one better. 1 clock today we are in. Which can't be this one now? Which can't be this one? Make I use this shoe now. Knock 14 years come on for your age. Make you day more younger. Eh?
My love, calm down now. But seeing that they follow you play.
What you coming now?
My love.
Which one be your love? No be talk say you no love me before.
Forget that one now. You know say I be woman. Sometimes I go dey do small shakara.
Na shakara you dey do?
Yes.
Hey, kuzikwana. So na shakara you dey do all those why?
Yes, now.
I talk am.
You know say I love you.
You love me?
Plenty.
You love me plenty?
Yes.
I prove am now. Prove am. I see you prove am. Kiss. Start from there first.
See you. It is an only kiss. Me and you.
What?
We even do the other thing.
Zuka tada. Screw. I talk am. So go do the other thing.
Yeah.
I talk am. I feel engage the lege. Engage the lege. I was what would you do? You cause engage the lege. Let's start now.
Yeah.
You know. And let's do just one kiss first. But
You want kiss?
Okay.
You want kiss?
Wait.
How will you the kiss?
Kiss? Na dream be that. But me and you been the kiss now. What's happened?
You and who be the kiss?
Na dream be that. Hi.
Chide, see your life. You see your life. So this your madness don't follow you so they enter inside your dream. You see your life.
See, forget that. We'll start.
Hey, come on. You mad? Not try me.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
Okay, they call you madman.
I dream be this so. Jesus Christ of Nazareth say, this girl na win you. This girl what he said I want Jide Kosoko this girl. So I Jided not. I unjided. Hi. Jesus Christ of Nazareth say, hi. I will just collect this thing sharp for that dream. Collect and sharp. If we will rape am for dream. Please, if by now you don't get belly. So God they call me. Oh, good morning, sir.
Who gave you these bags?
And Madam Amanda, she just bring and say make I give you. Say she no one use them.
Amanda was here?
Yes, sir.
Where is she now?
She enter one taxi. We carry and come out.
Just now.
Now.
Hooray! Hooray! Take these bags inside and open the gate for me now.
Okay, sir.
How far?
Well, baby. So wait, consider with me. What's happened?
Which can talk with that?
When
I
this
know
one-
this is done with you before.
What you talk now? Before. You know they sit down with me. That one not before. When last you sit down with me like this?
Now you cause I'm now.
What did I do?
Yes, the person who just did they do better discussion with you. They discuss better thing with you. You could just for nowhere bring nonsense talk, scatter everything.
Which nonsense talk?
I beg, the food sweet.
The food. Hooray, baby. You know now, you say you na cookie.
Avi?
The best cooker of the
Avi?
best cooker.
Avi?
No,
Thank
this is your
you. Thank you.
Mm.
Jide, Alpha, what's happen?
What's happen for you?
Which way Auntie Chimama that carry the gift worker give up come back?
I don't know.
She not tell you anything.
I don't know what's happening. She don't tell me anything. What I know be say I did. She carry the thing, can't give me. So I go give her. Say she don't want them. She don't need them. She don't they use them. What's happened with that?
Just like that.
Just like that, oh.
Hey! Hey! People where God give nyash, they no sabi use and sit down. Chite, imagine now me who God give that kind of opportunity. He go hot. Chai!
What's it called?
But you see, Chite, that auntie fine. Auntie fine, she just did.
The auntie fine. The auntie fine. But you get what you talking? I say people we get nyash. No fit sit down. Which nyash you thought? If they don't sit down nyash, why she sit down before now?
You don't understand. I mean say she set. She just did.
Oh, she na set man if na that one. She set well. But you say you fine too now.
Come on, get out.
What's with that?
No, what's the bring that leg now? What's with this one now?
Plus, I go give you this. We go eat them all. You don't make me say I don't even lose appetite. Eh? See, I won't ask you one question. Wait. As I did like this, I don't find. Eh? See, as I did like this, I don't be fine boy. No, they see my fine face with my pussycat eye. I be not like him. Eh? See, I go get money soon. I get money. I get one running ticket. Where we say this weekend After you get the next one and the upper one, once the thing enter, I get for 6 million. I could take care of you. Why you do like this?
Bishibu Yoma. Ibunyera.
Maha. Make it not be said I insult you, they insult. Which one your Maha? Make it not be said I insult you, they insult me. Which can't get be this one, self? See small people I want eat now, they do this thing. Just because say I they pursue that mama when I reach 18 naira, I be rich. You go pass 80, maybe 81 naira. Now you know you don't want make I rest. Mind yourself, oh. See food now, don't even tire. I just manage to eat this food, don't be saying the food. Don't be saying you find it too self. See waiting or the carry, you know, see the spherical in shape. Can't carry this small thing, they misbehave.
What's going on? I mean, what is happening to you?
Do I look sick to you?
Physically, no. But mentally, yes.
You can say whatever you want to say. It's your mouth after all.
Come on, okay. What's going on? You have been calling this girl all day without her picking your call. I mean, why are you so drawn to her? She's a prostitute, for God's sake.
Look, Greg, I can take everything from you, but you see, calling my woman a prostitute, that is what I cannot take.
Is she not a corporate?
Her name is Chimamanda.
She doesn't stop the fact that she's a corporate, isn't she? Okay. I won't call her names anymore. But he doesn't change the fact that she's one. I mean, what are you doing with a girl like that? You do not deserve her. What else do you want from her if not sex? I mean, what?
That girl is more than that to me. She's a whole package. It's not all about sex.
Okay, Chico. I do not know what this is all about. But I will fix it.
Don't waste your energy trying to fix what isn't broken. Listen, you are my homeboy. All you have to do is to support me and not to break me down.
Then give me a reason why I should support you. Give me a reason why I should.
I just said it now because you're my homeboy. You're my friend. Anyway, it's past closing hours. I need to take my leave. I check the food, and I have a meeting. I remember. Tell me why she's not taking her calls. Huh? Why is she not taking her calls now?
What are you doing here? How did you find me here? What is this now? Listen, I've told you and I'm telling you again. I am not interested in whatever it is you're bringing to the table. What is this? Listen, if you're looking for a counselor, you can go to the state hospital. There are lots and lots of them there lazing about looking for whom to work for. Leave me alone. Let me do my business in peace. How did you even find my house? Who gave you the address? Huh?
Good morning, beautiful Chimamanda. It's obvious you're just waking up from sleep, but your beauty still shines through though.
Hi, Chimo. What is it? Come on, what have I done? I mean, what do you want? Because I can't possibly believe that a handsome-looking young man like you with a good job will be doing this. Always around a prostitute like me. I'm a prostitute and you know. What are you doing here? What exactly do you want from me? What?
Well, this man standing here with all the qualities you just said now is here just for one reason. Since you stopped taking my calls and you've been avoiding me, I have decided to come tell you my mind.
Which is?
I'm in love with you, Chimamanda. I don't care how we met. I don't care who you are.
Hey.
But the woman I see in you is whom my heart yearns for.
Okay, Chu.
You are all I want.
You know, the truth is, I lack words, actually. I don't even know what to tell you. I don't know. So you have to give me time to think about this whole thing you just said to me. So,
it's fine.
I don't have any answer.
It's fine. It's fine if you want to think about it. And I'm glad to meet you in good shape and in good health. I'm actually happy to see you again. So I'll let you be, but don't spend too much time thinking. Yes is always the best answer.
I've heard you.
I love you, Chimamanda. Even though I'm not expecting you to say anything, though.
Thank you.
And would you please pick your call anytime I call?
All right.
I love you. Even though I'm not expecting to hear anything from you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Hey. What a day.
Okay, Chuku. Have you ever thought of how many men that girl must have slept with? 500, 1,000, or even more? Do you think you can live with the reality?
Okay, let me ask you. Do you know how many men that must have slept with the woman that you're going to marry? Do you think she's alone in this? Do you know how many women that are not tagged prostitutes, but they are doing the worst? Should I remind you? Back in school, the girl that lives in our lodge. Have you forgotten that day in, day out, different cars come to carry her? Are they picking her for morning prayer or crusade? Should I go on and on? So many of them. So just stop saying all these things you're saying. The one that you will marry tomorrow, are you sure she's a virgin? Do you know how many men home and away? Eh?
Okay, Chiku, you're not...
Please, just leave this thing. You don't have to convince me. This is my life. Chimamanda is the woman I want to marry, and that is fine now. I have made up my mind. You ought to know me by now. Whatever I make up my mind to say, this is it, you can't convince me. Talk more of you. You will be saying every night, almost every night, they carry strippers, they preach to me. You can't preach to me, man.
You tell me this, and you tell me that there's no place for you in my heart. We are worlds apart, but I know what I'm feeling deep inside for you. I don't care what you are, I don't care where you've been. I just want love to begin. Shut up and kiss me. Shut up and kiss me. Let's fall in love. Let's fall in love. Stop thinking and talking. Let's start the loving right here, right now. Shut up and hold me. Shut up and hold me. You've said enough. You've said enough. I won't listen to reasons, excuses why we can't be together. Shut up and kiss me and let's fall in love. Shut up and kiss me. Shut up and kiss me. Let's fall in love. Let's fall in love. Stop thinking and talking. Let's start the loving right here, right now. Shut up and hold me. Shut up and hold me. You've said enough. You've said enough. I won't listen to reasons, excuses why we can't be together. Shut up and kiss me and let's fall in love. Shut up and kiss me and let's fall.
Angie, what's up with you? I've been trying to call you ever since. What happened?
I'm sorry, I didn't know you were calling.
That's okay. But I noticed your mood ever since you were in class. Amanda, wait. I hope you're not pregnant.
What is wrong with you, Ngozika? How do you mean pregnancy? Far from it. Please don't even say it. Who is pregnant?
Then what is the problem? And do not tell me it's nothing because your mood already says it all. Come on, baby, you can talk to me. What is the problem? Talk to your friend.
I'll tell you. Just come with me. Let's go to a sport.
Okay.
We can relax and talk.
Amanda, don't really let this your mood.
I was actually expecting him to query me why I haven't been taking his calls or replying his text messages. But no. The feeling was on a totally different level altogether. My dear, I can't even explain how much this guy loves and cares about me. Ever since I met him, he's been nothing but love, care, adoration, concern. I've lost words. Honestly, I don't know what to say. With everything that has happened, I am truly convinced that he loves me.
So, what about you? Do you have feelings for him too?
That is what I'm saying. I do have feelings for him. That is why I've been running away, because I don't want to give myself false hope. Do you understand?
I do. I understand you. Well, if I should say, this is indeed a great news. But, baby girl, don't you think the odds are not in your favor at all?
My fear, actually. I have weighed the reality on a balance. Girl, my background, how we met, his social life, and of course, how my line of business is definitely going to affect whatever it is we're going to have in the future. That is my problem. The impropriety is too much. Accepting Okechukwu's proposal is like putting 10 bags of cement on a chair. Eventually it's going to carry it. But with time, my darling, it will surely collapse. And it's so going to hurt me. But just like they say, love conquers all. But would love conquer this one? Would it?
In as much as I would want to say yes to your question. But this kind of love you're talking about only exists in the movies. Not in the society we are in now today.
But some are exceptional. Can't mine be exceptional?
Exceptional, you say? And then the question is, what makes you think the world will change her narrative just because you, Chimamanda, is involved? Come on, girlfriend. Let's be realistic here. If I should advise you, I think you should focus your energy in trying to get the better version of you. Rather than massaging a thought that has the potentials of hurting you emotionally and psychologically. It's not good for you. It won't be good for you at all.
I understand. I've thought about the danger and everything. Trust me, I'm not finding it funny. I feel so bad that I'm trying to ruin the beautiful chapter that God is about to give to me. I'm not happy about it. But just like they say, life isn't balanced at all. It is what it is.
I know, my friend. I understand how hard this can be. But just see it as if it never happened before. Your life is much more important than any romantic relationship now, alright? You're a strong girl. You'll be fine. I know you. Okay?
Thanks for the advice.
You're welcome.
So, shall we?
I'm tired.
Let's go, Chimamanda. Come.
Yeah, let's go.
Come.
I'm going towards that direction.
Come, let's go. Stop.
Wenji, you would have allowed me call my kekema. You don't see now. Of standing here, eh?
There's no kiki yet.
You no better walk down. This is not the place you can get keke. If you get to the junction now, we'll get keke faster.
I don't have strength to walk.
Well, let's stand now. Hey, keke is passing now. Let's go down. Oh yeah, I believe every word Oke said to me. I know he was speaking from his heart. I know he truly cares about me, judging from how he has treated me since we met. But can a tortoise and an elephant be friends? Even if they do, the communication will suffer. It will suffer a great deal because of their huge difference in size. Okechukwu and I are worlds apart. Like Ngozi said, this is not a movie where love wins all the time. It's hard to say no to your proposal, Okechukwu, but that's the right thing to do. I have to move. I really have to move on from this. This is not possible. This would destroy me. I have to move.
I'm not there. Not there. Oh. Are you?
Yes. Is your guy in?
In the inside.
Okay, I'll see him.
Okay, welcome.
Okay.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth, yay! Hi! See what you not get the chop. We can't Kwabi. Kwabi in the bear wood, Kwabi Chudik. And now move Ure. Go there, they make shagara for me.
Okay, Chukwu. You've been so kind to me ever since I met you. You have accorded me respect. Respect that I didn't deserve. I like you so much as a friend. Trust me when I say that. I like you so much. But can't you see the gap? The gap is way too much. And in another life, in another world, I would gladly accept your proposal with both hands. In all honesty. But in this life, my dear, we are worlds apart. You met me. You met me as a prostitute. A low-life prostitute for that matter. And that would always ring a bell whether we like it or not. Even if we try so hard not to allow it come, it will always come. I know it will be a problem between us if we ever have a thing. I've really sat down to think about this. That is why I've come to tell you. You don't see me as an ingrate. I want you to understand me from where I'm coming from. I like you a lot, trust me, but I cannot accept your proposal. I can't accept it. I can't date you. I'm sorry.
We are worlds apart.